Hey food lovers, I'm Frida and welcome back to my kitchen where we make simple things taste amazing. Today I'm bringing you this crispy golden potato wedges with a bold garlicky tomato sauce. Look at this. They just look so amazing. They are so crispy on outside and soft in the inside. These are next level good. Let's get right into it, guys. So karibu. Yeah, so guys, I started by peeling and cutting my potatoes into wedges. Just try to keep the sizes even for uniform cooking. And before I forget, guys, all the ingredients I've used are listed in the description box down below, so be sure to check that out after watching. Yeah, so now I'm done and this size is perfect. So next thing, I'll just transfer them into a bowl. And then at this point, I will add water and I wash them thoroughly to remove excess starch. This is important because too much starch makes them stick together and turn soggy when frying. Clean potatoes equals crispier wedges. Next, I will boil them in salted water until they were just fork tender, not too soft because they'll still fry later. So guys, once boiled, I will let them cool down slightly and pat dry them to remove moisture. Then I added a little cornstarch, or you can use wheat flour, and toss them until coated. This gives us that beautiful crispy crust. So guys, at this point, for you to know the right temperature of the oil, you need to insert a wooden spoon, and if it bubbles like that, you should know your oil is ready. At this point, I fry them in hot oil until golden and crispy. Take your time here. Medium heat is best so they cook through and don't burn. Yeah, so right now they are ready, and I'll just remove them from the oil and put them on a paper towel for them to drain the excess oil. Yes, in a separate pan, I fry some garlic on low heat. The aroma, guys, is everything. Then I added paprika, turmeric, black pepper, and salt. Then added the crispy potatoes back in, mixed everything gently until fully coated. Look at that amazing golden color. This is so beautiful, guys. And then I finished off with fresh spring onions for that pop of flavor and color. Now I am going to serve. Look at that golden crisp. Each wedge is perfectly coated and full of flavor. Honestly, these are so good on their own, but just wait till we finish it off with the garlic tomato sauce. And guys, for the dipping sauce, I started by frying garlic again. You need to fry until it is golden brown. Just make sure that it's brown and you don't burn it. This one is okay. So let it cool, then mix in tomato sauce, paprika, black pepper, vinegar, and then sugar to balance everything out. Here you just need to mix everything well. So at this point, guys, I think our garlic tomato sauce is ready. And there you have it. Perfectly crispy potato wedges with a garlicky tomato sauce you'll want to put on everything. Simple, satisfying, and full of flavor. If you loved this recipe, give it a thumbs up, leave a comment below, and don't forget to subscribe for more homemade magic. I'm Frida. See you in the next one. And for now, I will just say, Karibu tena to my food journey.